How to get SurfShark discount code. For this, open up a browser that you prefer on your mobile device or any browser in your PC. So right here in the search bar, search for coupon code in. Now go ahead and scroll down until you see the official webpage of couponcodeinc.com. Then give it a tap and wait for you to be redirected. In the search bar, search for SurfShark. SurfShark offers a feature called Multi-Hop, which routes your internet connection through multiple countries for enhanced privacy and security, providing an extra layer of anonymity online. Wouldn't you like such an application for your device? Now to get a promo code or a discount code, simply tap on Get Code and wait until you are redirected to the web page. Once you land in a web page, all you have to do is tap on Get SurfShark, then tap on any of this package that you find interesting. From here, log into your SurfShark, then select a payment method. I have selected credit card. At the bottom, you can see the coupon has already been applied and you'll be saving 79% of its actual value. Isn't it cool? So go ahead and give it a try and thank you so much for tuning in.